Yeah. Yeah. When I'm on the track, it's a motherfucking blizzard, bruh. Shorty wastes my time, but she cooked me up some dinner dough. And she give me sloppy, don't tell her not to hit my phone and send her on her way home, yeah, yeah. I fuck a lot of bad bitches, bruh. When I'm sipping on my double cup, I'm really granting wishes, yeah. I don't want no contest, cause I am never guilty, bruh. Murder on my motherfucking mind, I'm talking silly, bruh. Hey, cocaine in the Finny, make the line up. I can't waste my motherfucking rhymes, yeah. When I'm on an angel dust, I feel so damn dangerous. You ain't about that life, bro, so you cannot come hang with us. PCP 913, demons in the streets. No, we is not no followers, we ballers, yeah. If this is drugology, then I would be a scholar. One-on-one therapy, can you see the pain in me? It's making me go crazy, G. I am a young prodigy, so who gon' be the mini-me? Creeping, lurking, they some centipedes. Is anybody hearing me? There is not no fear in me, no, there is not no fear in me. Check it. Yeah, when I'm on the track, it's a motherfucking blizzard, bruh. Shorty wastes my time, but she cooked me up some dinner dough. And she gave me sloppy, don't tell her not to hit my phone and send her on her way home, yeah, yeah. Said it was a blizzard, bro, why I'm dressed like an Eskimo. Pouring up these Ozies, yo, yeah, I'ma put the pressure on. Breaking the bitch's back and then I put her on a stretcher, yeah. Bro, you ain't impressive now. Easy lesson. Please bring me all your best friends. Switching up the method before I bring out the Smith & Wesson. Talking down on my progression. Get your ass up on the death list. Hey, yo, yeah, you know I'm really restless. There is not no hoe in me, so bro, do not joke with me. There is not no hoe in me, don't hit me with your jealousy. Petty shit, I'm better than EG is your best friend. I'm the one you need, girl, cause EG is your best friend.